Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the PAPAGO G680 4-channel 360 degrees dash cam. I've looked through the available information across the internet, and in this review, I'll break down what this dash cam offers and whether I think it's worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest selling point here is the 4-channel design. Instead of only recording what's happening ahead of you, the G680 simultaneously captures the front, rear, left, and right sides of the vehicle. The front camera records in 4K at 3840 by 2160 resolution, while the rear and side cameras record in 1080p Full HD. That gives you much broader coverage and can provide useful evidence if something happens around your vehicle rather than directly in front of it. For a dash cam, image quality at night is just as important as daytime recording, and PAPAGO has included several features to improve low-light performance. The front camera has an f1.6 aperture, while the rear uses f1.8 and the side cameras use f2.0 apertures. HDR is also included to help balance bright and dark areas. The side cameras additionally feature 8 invisible infrared LEDs, allowing the cabin and side areas to remain visible even in extremely dark conditions. Another feature I really like is the included 128GB high-endurance memory card. You can start recording immediately without having to purchase a card separately. Loop recording automatically replaces older footage when storage is full, while important videos can be locked so they aren't accidentally overwritten. The G680 also offers fast wireless connectivity. With both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, you can connect the dash cam to your smartphone through the PAPAGO app. The company claims download speeds of up to 30 megabytes per second, which can make transferring large 4K clips much faster than traditional wireless connections. You can view recordings, manage settings, download videos, share footage, and even update the firmware through the app. Hands-free operation is another useful addition. The voice control system lets you perform certain commands without reaching for the camera while driving. There's also a physical button for quickly locking emergency footage or capturing a specific moment. When you lock an event, footage from all 4 cameras is saved together, giving you a more complete record of what happened. The 3-inch IPS display makes reviewing the cameras convenient as well. You can view the front, rear, left, and right feeds together, which is particularly useful when checking an incident. Just remember that the display isn't touchscreen, so navigation is handled using the physical controls. Built-in GPS adds another layer of useful information. The G680 can record your driving route, location, and speed, with route information accessible through the app. That could be valuable when reviewing footage after an accident or other incident, because you're not relying solely on the video itself. Parking protection is also supported, but there's an important catch. The 24/7 parking modes require a separate hardwire kit, which isn't included. Once properly installed, you can choose time-lapse recording at 1 frame per second or impact detection, which automatically locks footage when the vehicle experiences a collision. Installation itself is designed to be straightforward, but because you're dealing with 4 cameras, you'll have more wiring to manage than with a traditional front and rear dash cam. The extra effort is essentially the trade-off for getting much wider coverage around the vehicle. So is the PAPAGO G680 worth buying? After looking through its features, I think it's a strong option for drivers who want more complete protection than a standard 2-channel dash cam can provide. The 4K front camera, 3 additional 1080p cameras, night vision, infrared side recording, GPS, Wi-Fi, voice control, and included 128GB card make it a very comprehensive package. I especially like the 4-camera coverage because incidents don't always happen directly in front of your car. If someone sideswipes you, approaches from behind, or something happens inside the vehicle, having additional camera angles could make a major difference. There are a few things to keep in mind. The parking mode requires an additional hardwire kit. The side and rear cameras are limited to 1080p, and the 4-camera installation will naturally be more involved than a single camera setup. Overall, if your priority is maximum coverage and you want a dash cam that records virtually every direction around your vehicle, the PAPAGO G680 is worth considering. The included 128 gigabytes card and 24-month warranty also add value to the package. Check the current price before buying because deals can change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.